Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a nice used boat that we have here at our Rogers location. So we have with us today a 2014 Malibu. This is the 247 LSV, so 24 foot in length, and this is a perfect boat for wakeboarding, surfing, skiing, tubing, whatever you and your family want to go through. So obviously it's called the Wake Setter. We got the nice crimson red all the way up and down. So like I said, 24 feet in length. This does have the surf gate and the wedge on the bottom too. So surfing, you can make those adjustable to the surf wave that you like. We got the nice swim platform back here, some lights. We do have the camera in the back as well, and some nice seats in the back for just hanging out or putting on a board or getting ready to go in the water. So let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest of the features. All right, welcome to the interior. We got the nice tan, the red, a little bit of gray in here. But again, 24 feet in length, so you can bring a ton of your friends on this boat. There are cup holders all over the place. You've got a nice sun pad right here. These do lift up. And you do have some fat sacks back there. You got your engine. This is the 409 Monsoon, so plenty of power. We got two pair of speakers up here on the tower on both sides, so really nice and loud sound. You've got the integrated bimini that can open up, and the tower does fold down if you needed to. We got storage underneath all these seats. There's a cooler underneath this one. And then I come to the helm here. We've got some digital gauges here. We got a touch screen here and a touch screen down here. You can kind of see I turned the lights on. There's some interior lighting in here. There is a place for a table. And then in the bow, there's the cushion right in there, so you can fit maybe 2 or 3 people up in the bow. Again, 24 feet in length. This is a great boat to take you and the family out for surfing, wakeboarding, or just having a great day on the lake. So this is available currently here at our Rogers location, so give us a call if you want to come take a look and see it for yourself.